Okay, g'day everybody. So, starting tomorrow, Monday, the 29th of September 2025, I'm going to have every day 7 days of cleaning tips. Now, I have forgotten kitchens. I do apologise. I'll do another one. So, for Monday, we have dusting. Tuesday, saving water, money, and time. Wednesday, do it yourself air freshener. Thursday, carpets. Sorry, yeah. Friday, windows and mirrors. Saturday will be bathrooms or laundry, bathrooms, and water closets. Sunday will be mattresses. Now, to lead you into everything, I've got a free bonus I'm going to give you right now. These are tips that I've learned myself, and I found they were by accident. So what I did as a test, I made another homemade air freshener. So you'll see on Wednesday how I make them. So I grabbed an old bowl, or plastic bowl that I had, placed it on a board, then boiled the kettle and poured some shower gel into the bowl, followed by the hot water. The smell was amazing. It was just fantastic and everything like that. Um, and I do it quite often in place of incense. So quite often you can't buy it, so you just use shower gel you've got, one that's got a beautiful scent to it, and it gives a nice smell. I actually walk around the house with it on the board just to help the smell spread around the house. Now, another test I conducted, this during COVID, um, in place of the shower gel, I used hospital grade antibacterial disinfectant. Um, but what I also did as well, I've also been pouring that goes into the bowl as well. What I do is I also pour some double strength vinegar as well. It actually does help. Um, it does help give a nice scent. It actually helps sanitize the room or your house, whatever sort of thing. It may not work in your house depending on your situation, things like that. But it's just some tips that I've got here. This is just in a lead in for what happened. Now, for my cleaning tips, there are some tips that I received from ex clients or relatives of ex clients. One, I was astounded at, and actually works. You will be astounded when you hear what it is. I think it comes up probably Tuesday, I think. No, actually, no, it comes up on Thursday. Um, yeah, with everything. And Sunday with mattresses, you only need two items. Two items for mattresses on Sunday. Um, but all I want to do is just give you this bit of a leading for everything. I hope you enjoy the series, and I would love people to comment as you're going along with everything. If you're not following me or not subscribing, please subscribe because I would love more subscribers or followers. Please reshare or repost or whatever sort of thing because I would love more exposure. Would be fantastic. So, and these are completely free, obligation free as well. You do not need to take them. You do not need to use them. They're just some tips that I've done as a former house cleaner. Now, the reason why I'm no longer cleaning is because I ended up with long COVID, which has caused a lot of health issues for me. So, which has really been hard. This is one reason I'm doing my counselling course because I actually want to be a long COVID counsellor because I believe counsellors should have lived experience. And my counsellor I have been seeing has lived experience. She's been fantastic. I do appreciate her. Um, she helped me out for last week in relation to yesterday and what's happening next Sunday as well. But anyway, thank you very much, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. I've got to find everything, so thanks.